got a secret I try to hide, another patterns like Fibonacci numbers in sequence. My friends are fooling around, they said it was useless to learn at all deductive reasoning, but it's here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide to make inductive reasoning? The nature of mathematics, it is an art and language, set of problem solving. Predict events, provide tools, control weather. It's up to you, cause it is to me. No one can say how I will play. The nature of mathematics, maybe the world could be logic to think. You think it's easy, but there are many problems to solve, yeah, and there are reasons that boyish tragedy can solve true. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to find the mean, median, and their mode. But when you put in your mind, you're gonna see its function and relation of them all. The nature of mathematics, finding the normal distribution, set of problem solving, writing syntax using for your post. It's up to you, it's not up to me. No one can tell you how will you play. The nature of mathematics, say that the world help you solve the logic, finding the equation, finding the correlation. And I want to learn with you. It feels impossible. It's not impossible. Is it impossible? See that it's possible. How do we really love the math? It is an art and language, set of problem solving, reading events, provide those